Hey there, kitchen adventurers! Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're diving into a dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds, Latin-inspired pig ear stew. First, let's get those pig ears prepped and ready for their flavorful journey. Cut the pig ears into bite-sized pieces. Pig ears might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of gourmet cuisine, but let me tell you, these humble ingredients have a lot to offer. Packed with collagen and gelatin, pig ears are not only delicious but also great for your skin and joints. Plus, they're a sustainable choice, making use of every part of the animal. We'll give them a good rinse under cold water and a splash of vinegar to ensure they're squeaky clean. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Let's saute the aromatics. Heat vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion and cook until translucent, about 3-4 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. These aromatic ingredients will lay the foundation for our stew, infusing it with layers of savory goodness that'll have you coming back for more. Can you hear that sizzle? Our onions and garlic are getting cozy in the pot, releasing their irresistible aroma into the air. It's the sound of deliciousness in the making. Now, it's time to add a little Latin flair with a can of diced tomatoes and a medley of smoky spices. Chili powder, cumin, oregano, and paprika. Bay leaf, salt, and pepper to the pot. These bold flavors will transform our stew into a fiesta for your taste buds. Now for the star of the show, our pig ears take center stage. Add the prepared pig ear pieces to the pot. Pour in the chicken broth, ensuring that the pig ears are submerged. Bring the stew to a simmer. Simmer and cook. Reduce the heat to low and let the stew simmer covered for about 2 to 2.5 hours or until the pig ears are tender and the flavors have melded together. Stir occasionally. Taste the stew and adjust the seasoning if necessary, adding more salt, pepper, or chili powder as needed. Just before serving, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the stew and stir well to incorporate. The lemon juice will add brightness to the dish. It's like a burst of sunshine in every spoonful. And there you have it, our Latin-inspired pig ear stew, ready to steal the show and leave your taste buds singing. Head over to kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe and get ready to embark on your own culinary adventure. Until next time, keep cooking with passion and savoring every bite. This is Kelvin signing off from Kelvin's Kitchen, where every dish is a masterpiece in the making. Bon appetit, my friends.